Okay, we're ready to go.
Yeah, very excited to go. Always. So I got 2 hooks, man. One of them's gonna go right there. Yep.
Okay.
And the other one's gonna go over there. Hip!
Woohoo! Thank you.
Later. Hip! Hip! Atta dog.
Wow. So they know the trail.
Oh yeah. Well, they've been up here for 2 years, 2 seasons.
Oh.
So these guys are all veterans. They're my main team.
Oh, so 2, 4, 6,
12.
8, 12. Wow. Oh my God.
Crazy, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Hey, what's up? Hello, Seattle.
Hello.
Woo! Bye, Alaska. Oh, awesome.
So you're doing this every day, huh?
Every day, man. 6, 7 times a day. Each dog's gonna run about 5 runs a piece. Hep here, hep. Atta baby girl. Nice job, sweetheart.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
How did you train them to?
Well, I had a few old dogs that I started with. Come on, Rock. And then I got some new dogs. And that's kind of the way that it goes. Let the old train the new.
Oh, wow.
See the crevasses on your right opening up?
Yeah.
Pretty wild.
I can't believe I'm the one up here.